The forest's first aid kit is hiding in plain sight. And all you have to do is pop a blister. These smooth grey bumps are filled with balsam resin, a natural antiseptic and antifungal liquid gold used for generations. Balsam fir is easy to recognize by its flat, soft needles. Look closely and you'll see two pale lines, rows of tiny stomata that help the tree breathe through winter. And unlike spruce, each needle sits on its own tiny stalk, a subtle clue that tells you this is a true fir. When you crush a needle, it releases that classic Christmas tree fragrance. Clean, bright, and instantly familiar. These needles also make a citrusy winter tea, rich in vitamin C, a quiet forest remedy when everything else is frozen. It's a cold, loving tree of the Acadian forest, offering shelter to birds and small mammals all winter long. A calm companion of the northern woods.